Select Edit Mode. Press Tool Slide Vertical Soft key. Press Tool Manager Soft key. Press Edit Soft key. Press Individual Setting Soft key. Check the tool number. Set the tool compensation number for height and diameter as per tool. Set the tool height and tool radius. Tool radius is must to add for simulation. Select the tool type which used for machining. Input number of teeth. Set the tool attach position as per shown diagram. Press Close Soft key. Press End Edit Soft key. Press Tool Side Soft key. Tool setting is complete. Keep cursor in starting of program to add the raw material blank. Press right arrow up to drawing command option. Press drawing command soft key. Select the type of raw material used. Input the size of raw material and work offset position and press OK soft key. One line G code will added in program. Add tool diameter code in program as per tool used like D1 for T1. Press right arrow for screen change up to simulation option. Press simulation soft key. Press next arrow soft key for next page for select multiple options like zoom in and out, rotation, simulation speed and adjust it as per requirement before start simulation. Press left arrow soft key for screen change and press start soft key to start simulation. Press stop, rewind and start soft key to restart the simulation. Press close simulation soft key to close.